Dear Senor Santa Claus, I think I tell you what I would like for Christmas, and I hope you won't forget. I only want a peso that I can have for mine to get my senorita something for Christmas time. Don't believe the card last Christmas that I sent. You come to see the kids across the street and then you went. Dear Senor Santa Claus, I think we understand. Sometimes the boys all gone before you reach the Rio Grande. Dear Senor Santa Claus, I tell you what I think. I know got a stocking I set out my piggy bank. So please bring me a peso that I can have for mine to get my senorita something for Christmas time. Christmas Eve I watch for you and I know sleep. If I don't get lonely for something, she feels sad. So please, Senor Santa Claus, this Christmas be so grand. If I get peso to buy me for my Lolita's hand. I don't know what I'd buy for her. I think I'd buy a rose, so she can wear it in her hair most everywhere she goes. Please, Senor Santa Claus, this Christmas be so grand. If I get peso to buy a ring for my Lolita's hand. If I get peso to buy a ring for my Lolita's hand.
You want pig? Well, I guess you don't
Well, just giving this waffle because all-day chicken and waffle, pancake and breakfast. Just giving them some love for giving up gifts for the children in the community. Thank you very much for doing that. This is your time for giving and sharing and loving. So we just stop by for a few. We're moving along. So thanks again for the owner for providing a lot of gifts for all the children, for all the children in the neighborhood. So, just grateful for that, so we gotta go. Alright, so thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. Share the live. Thank you very much for the thanks for again in the house. Sharing the love, sharing the vibes right here on Penrose Riga. Support this kitchen. See open the first. This is the first day chicken and waffle pancake breakfast house in Griga. Alright, so she's just giving back. That's all. Right here. Now come and support the thing. Come again next week, so bring up the children and give a lot of gifts. This is a spot right here. Bring up